गुड इवनिंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आप देखते हैं आज हम आए हैं एम्बियंस मॉल वसंत कुंज न्यू दिल्ली में। काफ़ी दिनों बाद आए हैं यार, तो थोड़ा सा देखते हैं आज क्या कुछ चेंजेस हैं कि नहीं, क्योंकि आज है प्री क्रिसमस वीक। और क्या डेकोरेशन क्या कर रखा है इन लोगों ने, थोड़ा सा चेक करते हैं। वी विल ट्राई कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि सेम 24 को हम आएँ इस मॉल में। अगर नहीं आ पाए तो आज हम थोड़ा सा देखने आया हूँ मैं, इसीलिए स्पेशल। कोई नहीं है भैया, हम अकेले हैं और कोशिश करेंगे जितना जल्दी हो सके कवर कर पाएँ जितना डेकोरेशन हो रखा है प्री क्रिसमस के पहले जो इस क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छा मॉल है, क्राउड भी कम रहता है और नियर टू माई मेरा घर के आसपास ही है, तो उसकी वजह से भी मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा इजी होता है आना। और क्राउड भी बहुत कम रहता है, तो अच्छा क्राउड रहता है एक्चुअली में। तो ये कह सकते हैं कि खाने को पीने का कोई इंतजाम पूरा प्रॉपर रहता है यहाँ पर। और डेकोरेशन बहुत अच्छा होता है, न्यू ईयर से लेके क्रिसमस का जो भी अच्छे फेस्टिवल्स हैं हमारे। तो लेट्स सी कि आज हमें क्या मिलने वाला है। और बने रहिए मेरे साथ, ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए टेक एक्सप्लोरर विपिन को देखते रहे। और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर लो यार, और नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लेना, क्योंकि जब भी न्यू वीडियो आएगी तो आपको डेफिनेटली नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। तो वो आप कभी भी देख सकते हैं। बट अगर आप देख सकते हैं और आपको पसंद आती हैं वीडियोस तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। और लेट्स सी कि आज क्या मिलने वाला है और आपको अपडेट देते रहेंगे। कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कोई भी आपको शेयर करना हो अपना एक्सपीरियंस, तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं बॉक्स में। और मैंने एक अपना मेंबरशिप भी ज्वाइन करा रखी है। आई मीन यू कैन सी वंस यू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल यू विल सी बिलो देयर जॉइन माई फैमिली। देयर इज़ मिनिमम चार्जेस। इसका मतलब ये है कि इन फ्यूचर जब भी कोई वीडियो आएगी तो पहले मेंबर्स को पहले व्यू हो पाएंगे, उसके बाद पब्लिकली जब भी वे मैंने उसको स्केड्यूल कर रखा होगा तो आपको मिल पाएगी। तो मेंबर्स के लिए प्रीमियर एक्सेस मिलेगा उसमें। और मेरे से इंस्टेंट बात भी कर सकते हैं वो लोग। और लेट्स सी कि और क्या कर सकते हैं, और आप बताते रहेंगे आपको। तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ और देखते रहिए मेरा चैनल। थैंक यू। बना लेते हैं क्योंकि मैं हमेशा भूल जाता हूँ मैंने गाड़ी कहाँ पार्क करी है। तो D2238 ये हमारी गाड़ी पार्क है। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम याद रखेंगे कि गाड़ी कहाँ पार्क कर रखी है और चलते हैं फटाफट से। और बताते रहेंगे आपको जो भी अपडेट। ये हमारी एंट्री हो चुकी है मॉल में फास्ट। तो ये हमारा मॉल, दिस इज़ ग्राउंड फ्लोर। फ्रेंड्स, क्वाड चेंज, जो लास्ट टाइम में आया था उससे काफ़ी चेंज है यहाँ पर। सो लेट्स सी समथिंग वी कैन फाइंड न्यू वन। आई लव दिस ड्रेस, यू कैन सी व्हाट अ कलर। पार्टी वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छी ड्रेस है यार। ज़्यादा लगेजेस, आई लाइक दिस कलर एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड 5395। Let's go to my favorite place and we will find out more. That's a cute one, and this one also is fine. So that's a good, and the price is 1200. It's a good one. Let's go to upside. And you can see the decoration here. It's beautiful. That's I want to see. You can find. That's beautiful, yeah. Here is the center also. This decoration over here, and you can see so beautiful. And these are the bells. डेकोरेशन आपको दिखा दिया मैंने। सो लेट्स सी कि अभी कुछ और भी मिलता है कि हमें। There is so many other things also here. I love the watches also. You can see the watches, the premium one. There's so many other things here. Let's see. I love this shop. Let's see something new, special for the kids. Here's the Santa. Wow, I love this one. 1800, but it's very cute. It's very cute. 149, but it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one we already have. Wow. The price is also wow. But it's very cute. It's very real. You can see this is price, and you can see how much real it is. This is the globe. Here it is. That's a good one. You can make and play this kind of thing. This is the makeup sketches. Face makeup, you can say. It's again the same game where we have to play and catch like this. This is only for 49. This one Hummer, and the price is only 32,999. And this is a good one for the kids for their personal car. I love this scooter, and that price is 25,999. This is not easy. I've never done it. Yeah, I'm just checking. First time you have to take balance. Okay. So you have to balance up and down. How go to front? You have to push it from. How you go to front? Okay. Should I try? एक बार मैं ट्राई करूँ. ओके. तो एक बार मुझे सारा लेके खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. सारा लेके खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. सारा लेना पड़ेगा. प्लस में आपको बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा. अप एंड जस्ट लाइक. तो आपको ओके. इस फॉल्टी वन थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. ये डेमो पेज है पर खराब हो गया. ओके ओके ओके. हाँ प्रैक्टिस करो. गियर पे ना जाए आप. Only body balance straight. अभी वो थोड़ा गिर जाओ. हल्का हल्का आगे पीछे जोर डालो. प्रेस करो. Yes. Don't be afraid. Where you want to go, just put your body weight. Yes, only balance. Yes, only smile one. These are the special features and figures, and my kids love them. And that's very expensive also, yaar. मेरे टाइम पे तो इतने नहीं आते थे, but you can see everything here. And the price also is cool too. Once it's 15 plus, and the price is around you can see 44,999. So it's very real and expensive one. These are the gun section, and you can see so many guns here. Very expensive one and very 20% off also is going on. So if you want to see the price for one of the things, let's see. The price is around 800. It's multiple shots, so that is easy one for the kids. And you can see here बहुत सारी गन्स हैं यार, एंड बहुत रिस्की है यहाँ पर बच्चों को लाना if you have enough budget. And this is one also I feel good. So इसका प्राइस देखते हैं 1600 only, बट गन है स्पेशल यार. इसमें फिर हो जाती हैं गन यहाँ पर बीच में सारी बॉल्स, एंड यू कैन प्ले. दिस इज स्पेशल वन. This one also is. This is one of the best tracking for racing cars, and that's from Vietnam, not from Chinese. And the price is 2799, and it's very good one. You can see the tracks. So it's start from here to go there. You can make this track for those racing cars. One of the transformer जो बन जाता है कार. This one is also good for music lover. It's karaoke mic and carry with mic and speaker. Let's see the price, and I'm sure that is not too much expensive, but yes, expensive. Where is the price? I want to see the price. That's for 6-month warranty, and this is the price 6499. This is we are talking about the electric scooter. You can kind of go anywhere with this. You have to just do the balance. See the features: run flat tires, battery 4400 mAh, maximum speed 12 km/h, and Bluetooth connectivity, high definition LED lights. So it's good for if you want to walk with this flat surface. All terrain tires also is here. There are some drones, that's what I was looking for. The price is 6499, and this is a price Skywiz, and everything is there. Optimal flow location, visual, remote, dual LED, Wi-Fi, FPV support. This is for 8+ age, and price is around 5000. And this is another drone we have, but this one is for 14+ age. It's a small drone also available here, and if you see the price, it's 6+ age for the kids. Price is only 1100. This is a good one for inside of home. You can play, and this one is maximum we have 1100 rupees. Okay, let's see the features. Smart app control, FPV, gesture, selfie mode, 2.5 foldable, 1 key return. Oh, that's what I want, 1 key return. 1800 mAh battery. How much warranty is here?
6 months.
6 month plan, and that's made in India, right? And this one is good. So we have two camera here. So 170 pixel secondary camera is down, and one is front camera, one full HD support, adjustable. And some other feature also: attitude holding and full HD photo videos, 1 key take off landing, wireless mode, optical flow position, 360 flip, 6-axis gyro, indicator LED. This one is also I feel good. Let's see, find out more. Really amazing guys, and this you can see the real model of this racing car, and you can see the price. This is radio controller, and this is 40+ age, you can see. And this one also is one other model, Mercedes AMG, and you can see the price is here. It's 25,000. So it's very expensive toy भाई. जिसने भी Concorde नहीं देखा होगा, you can buy one from here. And this is the fastest passenger airplane that was now discontinued, and you can see 18+. you have to just, this is a puzzle, I believe. You have to make a puzzle to make this picture or this model. These are the Lego section, and you can see so many toys, and that's world famous toys, Lego. And you can see this is a Toy Stories. You can make it build. It's a puzzle. The Formula 1 car. Let's show you the Batman. This is a Batman, guys. It's very cute. You can see it's totally real one. Mr. Batman. So many Batmans here. And this is small panda. You can see how cute it is. So these are the soft toys section. Master of all talents. And specialty for this car is this is right for any terrain. You can see the tires. Here it is, Lego. I like this one, chimpanzee, 1600 only, but it's very cute. इसको एक अडॉप्ट करना बनता है यार. देखिए कितना सुंदर है, very cute. इसको ऐसे ही बन सकता है यार. You can see how cute it is. Say hi. Hi. It's very cute. इसको यहाँ बैठा सकते हैं. These are the Mickey Mouse. How sweet. Mr. Lion. And this is a naughty panda. This is Mr. Eagle. So many good things. बहुत टाइम निकाल दिया हमने. That was a very fantastic one, and now you can see there another decoration for the Christmas. Beautiful, guys. Here it is. Here it is, another one. यार भूख लगी है, थोड़ा सा कुछ खाने चलते हैं, उसके बाद फिर कुछ करते हैं काम. हमको जाना है वहाँ पर, बट उसके पहले हम जाएंगे कुछ खाने. सो लेट्स गो टू अपस्टेयर. और अपस्टेयर में ही है फूड कोर्ट. पहले हम फूड कोर्ट जाएंगे और उसके बाद फिर चलते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए. सो इट्स वेरी 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 busy schedule for today. H&M, one of the good brand, known brand, popular brand. Here we have Decathlon. We have to come here after having something. This is a shopper stop, so you'll find out more. This is the play section for the kids, so you can leave your kids here and they will take care for you. And I can show you from upside. It's very beautiful decoration here. Let's go to top. यार वो है फूड कोर्ट जो साइड से टॉप पे. तो एक बार चलते हैं फटाफट से. This is the top one again, and you can see this is a food court. This is a good one. Beautiful horse. We have to find a Burger King, and that's we already find out. So we have to go there. जल्दी से चलते हैं यार. एक छोटा सा बर्गर खाते हैं, उसके बाद चलते हैं फटाफट से. So here we are, Burger King already, and this is some combo offers.
ये लीजिए वनीला से 40-30 रुपये।
सो ये आ गया ऑर्डर हमारा, लेट्स गिव देम। तो ये हमारा, थैंक यू। सो ये हमारा ऑर्डर है, चलते हैं फटाफट से, जहाँ जगह मिलेगी बैठेंगे। यहीं बैठ जाते हैं यार, और तो जगह थी नहीं मुझे। एवरी टेबल इज ऑक्यूपाइड। ये जगह दिख तो रही है, लस्सी। It is. So guys, this is a cheeseburger, you can see, and how much cost this is, दिखा देता हूँ आपको। crispy veg burger Prisco 79, and cheese slice 20 rupees 22, and 106 rupees is total for these two things. So let's go enjoy this and then we'll talk about. तो भाई हो गई है हमारी थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा, अब चलते हैं फटाफट से नीचे। And you can see the bells still going on. So you can see here, this is I'm talking about. Beautiful Christmas tree this time. As well, velvet है पूरा proper. All the bells going on here. Favorite section. So let's go inside and check it out. There's sales going on. You can see a favorite one, and you can see the prices here. 8.99, and this one is scooter is 2.7. Cycling, paragliding, everything you can find here. I wasn't aware about this. This is my first visit in this Decathlon, and that's a sports section. This one is cute, good one. Only 99. Hot, patli zarur hai, but it's very hot. 99. Fitness activities, and the EMI also available here. For this push-ups support and everything you can find here. Boxing gloves 8.99. This is a wrist support, and you can see how you can use for. This is a weight section, I mean you can use your weight like wrist and ankle weight. ये सारे weight हैं इसके अंदर. It's totally very heavy, तो आप इसको legs और wrist में बांध के proper workout. Belt for push-ups or weightlifting. Knee support only 800. You can find the gloves also for weightlifting. This is the cushions, 700 के हैं, ये 800 के हैं. इसमें cushions अच्छा है, and you can see like this. This is a proper demo, so everything you can get here. Shoes, lower, t-shirt, towel, belt. This is a bottle for fitness lovers. Measurement, have the weight as per your diet, and this is only for 700. Weights available 20 kg. That's proper set 6,000. Shorts only 400, and that's a good one. I mean you can for workout go for it. It's good shorts, every color available, only 400. Only 200. You can see 100% cotton. These are all lowers leggings for females, and the price is around 700 everything. This is offer 99 999. It's very good jacket. Good one. And this is from -5 degrees centigrade. If you want to plan Ladakh, Kashmir, so and you can go for it. And this price around 999, 299. This gloves -20 degree. It's very, very, very good. Only 9,000. 9,000 for this jacket, and this one gloves for only 1,200. -10 degrees centigrade. This one, and you can see the price here. This. So guys, if you are going to plan, so before go to there, you have to just start shopping from here. It's -10 degrees centigrade, and you get only 65.99. This is the complete one, and this is the right here. You can see the demo. Kids inners only 400. This is another thing, and the price 1,500 only. That's a cute one, 2,500 only. And this is very good. You can see the quality. Ultra warm. It's very, very soft. The price only 32,999. So you can see, if you want to wear this kind of leggy or lower, its price only 2,999, and these are the colors available. It's very good. आपका यहाँ साइड से भी है zip है, so you can open it, and so many pockets. This is my favorite section. Only 2,500. All kind of colors available. Cargo. Waterproof gloves for skiing, 1,200 only. Another one, only 9,000. Jacket down for -29, say -10 degrees centigrade. These jackets are easily available here. So planning to go in snow, so buy the clothes from here. This one for refilling football and all pump, small pump, and this for only 199. और थोड़ा सा कैंपिंग के लिए देखते हैं सामान. तो ये चेयर्स हैं, फोल्डिंग चेयर्स, and you can see प्राइस थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ही है यार. You can see 3,500. Which one? This one. And you can carry this with one single hand. So I think this one is the chair.
One housekeeping to trial room, I repeat, one housekeeping to trial room. Thank you.
And this chair is 1,600 only. It's a very, very, very comfortable chair to carry with you. Rupees bottle, and this is 159. Quality is quite good. Not glass. Then 800, and this is a microwave proof tiffin boxes, and the price is 159. These are the tents. You can see the -10 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree, and the price is around 1,000 rupees. It's not tent, it's actually this kind of bedding. These are 3 to 8 days travel bag specs. Price around 6,000. These are the foldable bags. You can see here. This is the bag. Only 10-liter bag, and you can see here. Best comfortable chair. You can see foldable. You can see this table is quite good, and now If you're going to fold this is the fold one. So same table है वो, and you can carry this table in your car, and once you unfold it, that's going to be big one. This small stool is around $699, foldable. And this one for skis or for winter purpose. So we have already bought this one also. It's you can see the details. 570 SD full ultraviolet 100% SD sunglasses. तो काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी है भाई. लेट्स सी, दिखाएंगे बाद में कभी आपको. चलते हैं अब इसमें लास्ट राउंड, एक फास्ट राउंड.